Pula, Simprivyet, Katila, and Blovinaka. Going to Lombok, the island of Lombok today. So I've ended up in a little port town called Padang Bai, and looks kind of like this. So I'll be going by something called a fast boat. Takes about an hour. You can go on a slow cruise boat. Takes about 3 hours, maybe 4 hours. So this ticket here cost me 250 rupiah. That's Indonesian. But I just saw prices over here after I bought this. Walked along, and then all of a sudden I saw prices at another place, and they were charging about 150. So I paid about 100,000 rupiah extra. Got ripped off, but it's only 10 bucks, so it's alright. Okay. But yeah, next time just walk around, look at the prices first before you buy, or before I buy. We buy, and yeah, so just have to wait around for about an hour before the fast boat arrives. So I'll go have a look around and see what's up. The water's warm. Very good. So we have to wait around over there. Might grab something to eat, maybe, somewhere. Pretty little boats. I think they use it for fishing. Pretty simple.
Hello, yung something.
Excuse me? Excuse me? Open the harbor tax.
So we have to buy a harbor ticket. It's about 10,000. I've just got my wharf pass. Cost me about 10,000, $1 Australian, and just gonna wait around for the boat. And while doing that, I just found a currency exchange place that gave me probably the best rate I've had in all of Bali, which was 9,750. And what that means is $1 Australian equals to 9,750 or 9,750 rupiah. So I just have to wait around for the boat. Might get a coconut, cold coconut with ice. I might just go wait around in there somewhere, undercover. Alright, I'll sign out and maybe pick up from when I'm inside the boat. This is a boat.
Boarding kuning papan. Nah. Mana sama?
That's the death trap that I'm traveling in. It's older than I thought. Let's see what it can do speed-wise. So all these guys are waiting to get on. Huh? No. Already bought something. And that's another one behind me. That one's going to Gili Island. And this one's going to Lombok. Taxi. Hang on, mate. They haven't even got off the boat yet. The taxi touts are here already. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 engines. 6 motors. Let's see what the other one has. Hopefully 6. Oh yeah. Looks like 250s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, about 6 there as well.
Ja, dat is de ook mensen van achter in de boot, hè?
Now you inside one. Yang langor sampai bang, bila perlu ya sermul yang ripan mani bang ripan.
Mari, gara-gara ini si bubu dengan orang lalu. Satu ya kan? Maju. Atur. Si Agat. Dia dijemput.
Memang saya kan ngaturnya mah.
Maju lurus agak kanan.
Someone forgot their luggage, so they had to redock and give the guy his bag.
Oke.
Now we're off to somewhere, Gili something. What's the next island? So we're going to Gili Air now. and after that Lombok.
Baru uang haji.
Jaga buat tel batal baris itu.
Just checked into the Vaganza Hotel in Mataram. Put my keys. It's on the second level, so we'll see what it's like. I've paid $13 Australian. That's about $9 or $8 US. Level 2. Okay, 207. Cheap hotel, about 4-star, and 13 Australian dollars, 1-3. What do I do here? Oops. Is that how it works? Nope. Flipping doesn't work. Am I in the right place? 207. 207. And okay. Yes, finally. Gotta put it in there. Hey, welcome to Aladdin's cave. So, $13, $13. Let me just put my stuff down. What the?
Mineral memang berbeda, mengandung mineral esensial, dikemas menggunakan 3 proteksi
Holy cow.
bikin barang lebih efektif. Mineral.
Hai Kak, ayahnya kamu terus kasih itu.
My bags.
Dia tebal, taburan kelapanya gurih.
Coklat dan kelapanya di satu. Kalpa,
Oh,
coklat
so
kelapa, enak luar biasa.
single bed there looks like a king single.
Andalan every ada habisnya.
Why is this so loud?
Berita baru yang seru banget dari Raffi Ahmad dan keluarganya. Jangan sampai ketinggalan.
There's a volume on this.
Season terbaru. Setiap
Come on.
hari, biar Raffi makin cakep.
Ada mini wispy yang enaknya normal. Enak serunya celup-celup.
Batteries not working.
Vitamin D dan susu. Mini.
Ah, there you go. Screaming at me. So, let's have a quick look. This is what you get for $13. 1-3 Australian dollars. That's like $8 US. Aircon as well. Lovely room. Does it have a view? I don't know. What the heck? Oh, here you go. Oh yeah, bit of a forest view. Oh, that's the car park that I was at before. All right. toiletries, towels, 2 towels. I only need one. There's water, a bit of a menu for breakfast, lunch, sandwiches, roti panang, nasi goreng, blah blah blah. Oh, there you go. Nice TV. That's me. Like, hello. And a fridge. And it's very cold. Ooh. Freezer as well. Okay, that's good for drinks. Cupboard. That's your fuse box up there. And let's see what the bathroom's like. Okay, pretty clean and nice. Shower, I think that works. What the? Mother of Mary. I've broken it already. It's broken. Where the hell does this go? This. There you go. So that's about the water pressure. It's not bad. That's fine. A bit of soap there. Toilet. Sink. Ah, they give you toothpaste and a toothbrush as well. It's pretty clean, I think. Oh yes, it's not bad. $13. So that's what you get for $13 Australian in good old Lombok. This city is called Mataram. That's the capital of Lombok. It's the biggest city in Lombok. So yeah, excellent. Now I will freshen up and go for a walk. Hula, and welcome to the wonderful Sengkurang Park. Sengkurang Park. Here in Mataram, the capital city of the island of Lombok. So today I've decided to do a walk. It's a bit rainy, it's wet everywhere, but I'll show you a bit of the park. Let's see what's going on here. So it looks like a bit of kids activities, families. Don't think there's any food. Oh, maybe there is right at the end. So we shall go there. Now tomorrow I've decided to get out to Mount Rinjani, or Rinjani, that's it, Mount Rinjani's base camp. It's the second largest or second highest volcanic mountain, and it's an active volcano as well. So I'm gonna do a almost a 4-kilometer stretch right up the top, and it's gonna take me 10-12 thereabouts hours. So I go up and then I will camp up the top, and then after that next day go back down again on the other side of the mountain. So hopefully we can see some volcanoes, lava maybe. This place is happening. Sausage. Some water if you want water. Biscuits. And there's a little bit of space there too, sitting around. And more stalls. Looks like just yeah, mostly for kids. They're fishing. Fishing.
Taruh sini lagi. Lagi.
This is how you fish. It's good. She caught a fish. Yay. Oh, look, real ones.
Big fish, nice.
Yeah. Ooh, real fish.
Fish.
And then there's paintings using watercolor. Over there is bike rides. Bit of boxing going on there. Let's have a look.
Jangan condong belakang badannya. Dia.
Fountain. Oops, and it's off again. Very, very steep. Holy. Holy shit, bubbles. Whoa. That's some distance to fall. Very nice. That's Yoga. He is my guide to the falls, and he might be coming up the mountain as well, which is tomorrow morning. Yoga, yeah, tomorrow you coming up or no?
No.
Somebody else?
Yeah,
Ah, somebody. Okay, okay.
Because it's not my turn.
Ah, okay.
We have in this company we have like
Different people for different things.
no, we have like 7 people tour guide,
Okay.
local guide.
Okay.
Then we have turn. The day after yesterday,
Yeah.
yesterday I have in the mountain. It was nice,
Okay.
but I feel so pain
Yeah.
because
Too much work.
yeah, my customer take the 2 days 3 nights.
Ah, yeah.
No, no,
2 nights,
3
yeah,
days
yeah, yeah.
program. So
Yeah.
in the second day, wow,
Bad.
it's better 1 night
One
per
night.
day and then
Yeah, yeah. Come back.
3 nights per day.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
That's better one. Like 2 nights 3 days.
Yeah.
Wow. The second day we have to be wake up
Early.
early,
Yeah.
up, down.
Oh, around
Yes.
and go back.
Ah,
You come back down here or you go to another city?
because
Another
my customer is not too like I mean they're not too strong,
Oh, okay.
so they feel like
Where
pain
they from?
in the necks.
From where?
They're from
Australia.
no, they're from Asia.
Asia somewhere. Okay.
Yes.
Maybe China.
Yeah, and they feel pain in the necks,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and then back from the summit around
Alright.
I think 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay.
So that's why we don't have much time to be continue.
Yeah, yeah.
So I give them option about like this trip.
Yeah.
I tell him because we have to going down like 2.5 hours more to the lake and then
Yep.
3 hours more
To
going up.
other side. Yeah.
So I think we're gonna wait up there in the night. So
And then see.
that's a normal
Yeah.
speed. But like if I say you
Yeah.
your speed, I think more than this.
Yeah.
I say
Oh,
like
okay.
that.
More hours.
Yeah,
Longer.
yeah. So how about like this? I give you option like sleep in here. We're gonna back same way.
Yeah,
They
yeah.
say, oh yeah, that's good.
That's good. Yeah, yeah.
Because they will come to holiday,
Yeah.
not for tired.
No, no.
Yeah, because
They
if
want
go-
enjoyment.
Yeah,
Relax.
if they continue,
Yeah.
they're gonna
They want to
gonna
die.
find nothing. I say no.
Yeah.
They're gonna find nothing because it's
Yeah.
in the night.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah.
They can see nothing.
Yeah. But yeah, if you have like a good time, yeah,
It's different here.
yes, you can enjoying the view on the lake, the hot
yeah.
spring, and then going up to see the sunset point.
Yeah, yeah.
But if like this, we're gonna start at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we don't
Climbing,
have much
climbing.
time.
Yeah, no.
Until the lake, I think will be dark.
Yeah.
So yeah, we don't have
Oh.
much. So you're enjoying the sunset from the position 2 of
Yep.
Balloon.
Yep, yep.
Nah, even if you take like 3 nights, 4 days, that's more enjoy.
Yeah.
You can
Cause
sleep
you,
on the lake.
yeah, cause you got lots of time.
Yeah. We're gonna walk,
Right.
not too hard.
There's more guides. Hello, hey. Advertising your channel. Hello. stream. And Yoga just told me an interesting fact. 4 years ago, in 2018, there was a massive earthquake here. And after that earthquake, this was one of the center points of the earthquake. Apparently a lot of people died, a lot of villages got destroyed. And this stream here, the water used to be up to here. But after the volcano, the geography of this place has changed, so now there's just a tiny little stream going through. The rest of the water, who knows where that is going, but there used to be a lot more water here before the earthquake. So along the way, driving up, I saw that the government was building a lot of concrete houses far away from here, about 20 kilometers. Those concrete house villages are for those people that lost their houses during the earthquake, and hundreds and hundreds of people died. So that's what's left of the water. So the water used to be down to here. Used to be a massive stream, but now that's all that there's. That's all that's left. That's Yoga. Beautiful fresh water, very cold. Somebody's been smoking a bong. That's a huge bong pipe. Maybe it's a bit of Hindu Kush or Pineapple Express, I don't know. I don't know my marijuanas. Where the hell am I going? Maybe this way. I should have gone that way. Beautiful.
But when 1 week after that's coming like a 7.0.
7.0 earthquake.
Yes, in
Okay.
the night.
Yes, yes,
So we are fine here.
yes.
But some people, we say like in Pemenang,
Yeah,
close from the Bangsal Harbor,
yes.
there's like so many people die there.
Wow.
And also in Sembalun village also,
Yeah, yeah.
around 2 or 3 I think.
Okay.
And then in the mountain only one.
One. Okay.
But not in the on the top.
Right.
It's like all close from the lake, all
Yes,
the way
yes.
to the lake.
Yes, yes, yes. So all the houses got destroyed?
Yes.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, like I can say the earthquake make everything change here.
Change. Yeah.
Like our natural.
Yeah.
Our
I saw.
big-
Yeah,
our
I saw
village.
coming up. You see all the demolished houses.
Yes,
That's
yes,
that, huh? The shops
yes,
and everything.
Yeah. And also they change like our life also.
Yeah, yeah.
Because before the earthquake we drink a lot of beer, restaurant.
Yeah, yeah.
But now I'm stopped to drink.
Yes,
So many stop drink.
yes, yes.
Like
Because maybe they think it's bad luck or
yes.
something. Yeah.
Yes. Just the traditional beliefs still
Still here.
still good
Yes, yes.
because they make from the trees, bamboos.
Yeah, yeah.
So after that I cook, it's fine.
It's all. Grates. No grates. Hello.
Hello.
No school?
No.
Finish. School finish.
Party.
Oh, party now. Okay. Party down there. No. Ooh. This is the other side of the waterfall. The first one we went to was that way, and this is the second one. Let's see if I can go down. Yikes. Oh my God! That's the waterfall! Another 2 hours walk.
Almost there.
The local peoples. Yes.
I can subscribe you.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Just tell me what.
Yes. So this is Yoga's house. He lives there, and that's his little village. You cold? Ah,
See the chili,
that's rice.
onion. Have you seen the onion?
Oh yeah, yeah. Onions. Oh, there's chilies drying.
This is
What
the
do you
rice.
What do you do with this?
Just for
Chicken.
crackers. No.
Oh, crackers.
Yeah.
Ah,
like a
okay.
snack.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay.
Later,
Yeah.
next time if you come here again, just come to my home.
Okay, yeah, I will.
But nobody here, only me.
Only you alone? Where's your parents?
Parents, like
Another village?
6 kilo from here.
Ah, okay. Okay, we are here. So I've been asked by my friend Yoga and Eddie to join them in this stick fighting contest over here. I think that we'll be viewing it rather than fighting. I hope I'm not fighting because I've never done it before. We'll see what happens.
Mohon perhatian kepada panitia. Coba tolong bawakan para undangan atau perempadu kita air minum ya. Masing-masing air minum.
Holy cow! There's white people here too. I thought I was the only tourist here. No!
Terima kasih kepada pemandu undangan dari pengikut Adi Dukun sudah memasuki arena pertandingan atau arena hiburan. akan menjaga sang petarung tangguh. Dia mencapai yang berada pada sore hari ini.
It's right in my face, right here. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. He got cut in the head and the arm, and the other guy, he's got about 10, 15 bruises all over him, including the eye. It's brutal. Absolutely brutal.
Ronde ketiga adalah ronde ketiga yang tersongkani berhadapan dengan ombak kencang. Ronde ketiga Lumba pasir pasir.
Ayam. Assalamualaikum. Ayam? Sapi. Sapi, ah. I think I should give him some money. He won. Let's see what we have. Let's give him $10, eh?
Beli Pak. Beli Pak.
Tamu no. Tamu
Fiji.
Thank you.